ED-209.
Yep, you saw that right. I have a toy version of the popular ED-209 from the, 1987 RoboCop? First RoboCop, actually one of the very first movies. So I got this from BigBadToyStore.com, and I'll put a link down in the description. If you guys haven't checked them out, go check those guys out. They have a lot of stuff on there. They have, I actually saw RoboCop 2 is going to be coming out. What was the guy's name? What was the evil robot? You guys will put it down in the comments. I'll remember it after I do the video. Kane, that's what it was. So I also saw they had Kane on pre-order, so I'll probably end up getting that one too, because I like ED-209. I like Kane in his robot form. So I'll be getting that as well. But Big Boy, or Big Bad Toy Store, they got a lot of stuff, guys. They got a lot of stuff on there. I've ordered stuff from them before. I got some G.I. Joe stuff, and I'll be showing that to you guys and possibly unboxing some of that. But they also got Thundercats too. But anyway, that's enough of a lot of those. Let's get into this ED-209. So I picked this up from there. It took about 4 days for it to come. So it didn't take that long, 3 or 4 days, I can't remember. And I got it because when I saw it, I just had to have it. I mean, I just had to have it, guys. It's just that plain and simple. If you guys are an 80s kid, or even the 90s, or even today, if you haven't checked out RoboCop, the very first one from the 80s, not the one that was released a couple years ago, check out the original one. I think you guys may be interested in getting this too. So anyway, I'm going to go ahead. Let's get this out the box, and show you guys kind of what we got here. All right, so getting him out, guys, he is very, 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 very well detailed. I did not expect this much detail in this particular, in this. I just really didn't. I mean, he's got a lot of stuff on here, guys, and that just, I don't know what to say. I'm very, very impressed. It's almost bringing tears of joy to my eyes just to see something like this. Now, he does kind of have full functionality and stuff as well. He can kind of move up and down. He's got functionality with his arms, and check that out. He's even got, like, look at what will be looking like little wires and stuff in there. So this is really, 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 really cool. His legs and stuff, they do move as well. And I'll probably do a video a little bit later on just showing this next to some of my G.I. Joe guys and stuff like that. He's probably, I forgot what the exact specs on him, but you guys can kind of see that popping up too with that. And these arms kind of do twist there. You see that as well with that. And it does have, the volume is really low. But he has a little button right here where my thumb is at. Listen to this. You guys remember that scene? Listen to this. Sound of him walking. So anyway, guys, I had to show this to you guys. I just had to. This is too cool. Be playing with him a lot. He will, like I said, be fighting my G.I. Joe. Man, I may get a couple more. So Cobra, or he might actually go for Joe, because Cobra's got the bats. So if you guys know, Battle Android Troopers with that, but I don't know. But I just had to show this to you. I thought this was just too cool. I'm so glad something like this is out. It does have a lot of detail. It does kind of have some grip here on the bottom of it too, so if you stand it up, it's not going to break or anything, or it's not going to fall over or anything like that. The toes aren't really functional as far as moving back and forth with it, but that's fine, guys. This thing right here, I mean, the legs move everything on it. I was just too impressed with this particular, I don't know what to say. Like I said, I never thought I'd ever own one of these. I always thought when I was a kid, I'm gonna build me one when I get older. Yeah, right. Now I ain't got to worry about that. So now I got this particular model here. But this is good, guys. Like I said, there's a link down below in the description. If you guys haven't checked them out, go check them out, because they got a lot of stuff. I'm gonna be ordering a lot more things from them. Some of the G.I. Joe stuff that's been re-released, I haven't been able to get, but they do have it on their site. Now, it is a couple more bucks than what you would get from, like, I think Walmart, somewhere like 19 bucks if you can get it there. And then they're like $2 or $3 more, but it doesn't matter. You don't have to try to do like I do, go to every Walmart when you see something new released, like when they did He-Man. I couldn't get Trapjaw, so I was going like 5 or 6 Walmarts, and I was waiting for them to get him in. I couldn't find it. But I went there and they got it there. So it's just a couple bucks more than what it would be at Walmart, which is fine, and you pay for shipping and stuff. But I was just impressed with their store overall. I got some other stuff coming too. I got some Transformers and stuff I'll be showing to you guys as well. But this was going to be the very first thing because I was just so impressed and so happy just to add this to my toy collection. And for you guys that don't know, I do have toys too. I have G.I. Joe, I got Transformers, I got He-Man, I got a lot of toys, and I also do comic books, video games. I just don't put a lot of it on my channel because I'm so busy with a billion and one other things plus those. And you guys know I write books and stuff like that as well. So I'm pretty busy on a day-to-day basis, especially with my personal life and stuff as well. So it's kind of busy with a lot of things. But I did, like I said, want to show this to you guys. I'll probably be having a lot more things coming out. I'm working on some drones, boats, and planes and stuff as well. So you guys will see that coming in the next couple of months as well. I'm just trying to work on a couple of things, get some stuff settled out as well. But you guys will be seeing that soon. So you'll see a lot more stuff coming to my channel as well. I'll probably be doing some other stuff because I do go to the movies a lot. It's just a lot of stuff that I do that I'll probably be bringing to you guys on my channel. So it'll still be predominantly RC car stuff because RC car is my love, and I do love driving RC cars. But I do want to introduce you guys to some other things and aspects of my world as well. But anyway, guys, put your comments down below. Let me know if you're going to get one or not. Doesn't matter if you get one or not, but you can enjoy my fun as I play with this some and get some of the drones out and boats and just have some fun with some stuff I'm actually going to do with a lot of this stuff. So you guys, thanks for watching and stay tuned for more videos.